From the trading desk of dailyforex.com, this is Christopher Lewis looking at the upcoming September 25th Forex session. You can see that we have just crossed over in the 25th GMT time. But looking at the candle from the Tuesday session, you can see that we have formed a little bit of a shooting star after the shooting star up here, which had suggested that perhaps the market had done a little bit too much in the way of positive momentum. Now that we've broken down a little bit, question is, where do we go from here? This is a bearish looking candle. We think though that it's probably only going to have the down to about 134 before it starts to run into serious trouble for the sellers. So what we're willing to do is step away from this, kind of let it fall back and look for support somewhere around 134, possibly a little bit lower, as we think the euro will continue to appreciate against the dollar. After all, the Fed did in fact choose not to taper off of quantitative easing, and that's of course dollar negative. At the same time, the Europeans have just exited a recession, so that's euro positive. Yes, there are people out there concerned about the economy. Maybe it's worse than they think because they couldn't taper at the Fed, but at the end of the day, money does what money does, and selling the dollar is something that traders are accustomed to. It's something they're natural at, they feel natural doing, so therefore selling the dollar, buying the euro, in this particular case, is probably what we're going to see.